Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. So today I'm going to teach you how to remove background of an image very easily with the help of Adobe Photoshop. So to remove the background of an image, what you need to do, you now need to first select the subject, and after that you need to select a brush. Okay, and now what you need to do, you need to select this option, select and marks, and opacity, make it 50 on black, and radius is smart radius, it must be smart radius and 9. And after that you need to select decontaminate color option, and you need to enter amount, make it 80%, and then select OK. As you can see, my background of the image has removed successfully. So keep watching my videos and press like if you find my videos helpful. Thank you all. Best of luck.